Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I want to show you how you can get a YouTube channel ID of any channel that you want. If you are wondering why you need the YouTube channel ID, maybe because if you want to trigger some sort of an automation, for example, if I go to this automation platform and I want to watch a YouTube video from any channel that I want. I need the channel ID right here. If it's not your own YouTube channel, then it's hard to find. If it's other YouTube channel, so if it's someone else's YouTube channel, it's not a straightforward option. But if I go to my YouTube channel and I click on like your channel. So how do you find your channel ID, right? So if it's your own channel, if the handle is not set up, you will see your channel ID here. But since I have already set up this handle, then I can only see this handle here. So if it's your own channel, then you have the option to go to the YouTube studio, and as you can see on top here, you can see your channel ID. So that's how you find your own channel ID. But if you want else's channel ID, for example, this is my another YouTube channel. uh, uh, you so you can go to that YouTube studio for that particular channel, right? So in order to find that, all you have to do is come to the home page of that particular channel. You can just when you come to the channel, you all you have to do is right click here, then click on view page source, and then you will see this code, right? It's you don't have to be afraid of this code, or it's really easy to find it. All you have to do is now press Ctrl F. That will give you a search option here. Just give it a question mark and then type in channel. As you can see, here you will get this channel ID, and everything after this equals is what you want. So this is the channel ID of other YouTube channels. This is my own YouTube channel, but here I am just want to show you like how you can find the YouTube channel ID of other YouTube channels. So it's that easy. Then you can copy this here and you can do whatever you want with that. In this case, if I want to watch that YouTube channel, then I can just paste it here and then give like a date or something, and then it will trigger whenever a new video is published. I can also set up sending a notification or something like that. So you can see this is the latest video that's published here. So that's how it works. I hope this was helpful. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. I will have the links for this automation, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.